install into Xbox hard drive. Please guys, okay, first of all, you need to download Xbox 360 game from gamestorrents.com like this, and you can search your games here like Black Ops 2 shares. Wait a few seconds, loading, my net is slow. Yes, you can download game from here, gamestorrents.com. choose the game. As I choose Call of Duty Black Ops 2 English region free, 8.4 GB, 8 GB. Click the game. Call of Duty Black Ops 2. Call of Duty Black Ops 2. Okay. Now loading. Platform Xbox 360 region free, action format ISO, IMS, release date. Click discard torrent. Yes, downloading here, but this I already downloaded this game. Just I want to show you. Yeah, the torrent you are trying to add is currently already in the list. Do you want to load tracks? Okay, no, because you need to click S. Here I already download and finished the game Call of Duty Black Ops 2. I'm going to this folder. Okay, I now click one file of jar file of this game. Go to the Black Ops 2 downloaded game download place here, and right click, extract from WinRAR. Right click the one file, you don't need to select all, extract file, and choose of any folder. Give a folder name. I already made one folder, COD Black Ops 2. Choose this folder and click OK. It's take a 15 to 20 minutes. Please wait till to extract this all file. Please wait guys, I'll back after finish extract. it's already extracted into photo and software. COD Black Ops 3. See guys, Call of Duty Black Ops 2. This is many files I already extracted. It's made one file. Okay. Now this ISO file convert into COD file. For that, download ISO to God from Google like this. ISO to COD God Xbox 360. So to God download. Okay, but this is I already download this. Right. ISO to God here. Open it as run as administrator. Please wait. Yes. Go to add ISO. Choose a ISO folder file like Black Ops 2 from your save file. Computer Black Ops COD Black Ops 2. I am a Black Ops 2. ISO to God. Okay. And output location. Choose output location. My computer. Removable disks. Okay. Add my computer. Remove this ads. Okay, I wanna put it into my flash drive. Add ISO. Okay, 8.1 COD title ID. This. Then click it and convert. Okay, it's going to convert into ISO to God. COD God file. We need a COD God file for input Xbox hard drive. Okay, it's take a time. Please wait. I will be back after some time. Guys, please wait. This is converting ISO to God. It's take a approximately 20 minutes. Okay, take a rest and do all till that time. Just wait for the convert. Yes, ISO to God. It is converted. Take 29 minutes. Okay. And this well, yes, there is a extracted ISO file. This is God file. You need to now I am going to put USB in my computer. Yes, it's 23 GB free. Okay, I am copy this Black Ops 2 game into my USB stick. Yes, it's take some time. It's take a time. Please wait till finished. Okay guys, I will be back later. Yes, I think this is finished. Okay, okay, this is finished. I Call of Duty Black Ops 3. I put it into tick. I'm going to my Xbox 360. Okay, then plug in USB into your Xbox 360. Yes, and then go to games, go to XCX menu, and launch it. Yes, go to USB, go to Black Ops 2, COD Black Ops 2, and this title ID, press Y, and copy. For copy, press A, and go to hard drive, and hard drive content, hard drive content, this 00 folder inside here. Press Y and paste it. Okay, it's processing. It's take a little time, approximately 20 minutes. wait the till time. Okay, I will be back after some time. Yes, it is processing in hard drive. Content 00, this title 7.5 GB, 7658 MB. Yes, this is my PlayStation. Please subscribe my channel IT Nepal for more video tutorials, knowledgeable video tutorials. You can watch another more videos. Please subscribe my channel. It is processing 98% complete. Okay, it is complete. Exit from XCX menu, then go to games. Games. Okay, check the game. Yes, COD Black Ops 2 is installed. And open it. Wow, it's working. Okay, thanks for watching.